So I managed to get myself to the preview of the Samsung Galaxy Fold. This will be the statement piece and the conversation starter of smartphone for 2019. It is a very slick and chic device that is built with a very sturdy body that doesn't feel fragile at all. Although it's much thicker than any of the smartphones that we are used to, but it doesn't feel like a brick when we're holding it. The phone's build is actually very solid and feels premium. I love the smooth, curved metal edge all around the phone. It's just so nice to touch. Although the 4.6-inch front display may look small for what we are used to, but it's still not too difficult to type with my fat fingers on this smaller screen. And in any case, when I need a bigger screen, all I need to do is just flip open the phone and voila! A 7.3-inch display, big enough for me to read the web pages comfortably, which is as big as a tablet. And I must say, I'm pretty impressed with the app continuity from the front screen to the bigger screen. It's seamless and there's practically no lag. Amazing.
Don't make me call the cops.
He is the cops, dude.
Hey, Dad, I got an idea. If my brother bowls 3 strikes in a row, he buys a round of drinks. If he can't, we'll leave.
He's really good.
I feel that Samsung did a good job with this bigger screen by giving it the ability to actually open up to 3 different apps onto one screen. So for you who are multitasker, like to watch movie and do everything at one shot, this might be the phone for you. It's just that the screen size doesn't allow me to have a full screen experience for movies. I'm just a little bit irritated by the 2 black bars on the top and the bottom. But hey, at least the video is bigger. I think I will just need some time to get used to it. I can't help it that when the phone was in my hands, I keep opening and closing, opening and closing. The build is just so solid that it feels so good doing that. And it feels sturdy enough for me to keep doing that. Amazing. It's just that it's pretty hard to actually open and close the phone with just using one hand. And when closing the phone, in order not to touch the screen, remember to put your thumb on the bottom center of the phone when closing it. That will make it easier to close the phone. There are 6 cameras on this smartphone. 1 for taking selfie with the front LCD when the phone is closed. 2 for taking the selfie when the phone is open. And lastly, the triple camera system on the rear of the phone to take ultra wide angle, and tele shots when the phone is closed or open. The triple camera system on the rear is actually the same as the ones from Galaxy Note 10. So you should expect good quality pictures from the Samsung Galaxy Fold, just like the Samsung Galaxy Note 10. And if you don't like that the phone is actually too shiny, too glossy, and it's a fingerprint magnet, Samsung will be releasing the magnetic clip-on case so you can say bye-bye to the fingerprints on the chassis. And it's actually pretty chic, especially this leather case. So will you be getting the Samsung Galaxy Fold? Anyway, this is a quick preview of the Samsung Galaxy Fold. And if you like this video, remember to share and subscribe. And like this video as well. See ya!